Hi, this is Esther at the Trucking Scribe. I'm back with another little folio that I made. This one, it's got angels and fairies all over it. I have it tied up with a little sari silk, purple sari silk. She has jewels around her head, a few around here, lace. She's been distress inked with Tim Holtz Wilted Violet. So you open her up and you can see right here you got some journaling space. You keep going, there's more space. You have a pocket right here with a journaling card. You have another pocket that just opens on the top. This one just opens on the top. And this one just opens all the way to that left, to the side. I have also included, I thought maybe you would like to decorate your own little journal. So I have included a piece of lace that matches that one on the front, some sari silk. I've added some little jewels for you to add on to, like I did on the front cover, so you could put some on here, wherever that you might want. Thank you for stopping by. I hope that you'll check out my Etsy store, thetruckingscribe.com. And my website is thetruckingscribe.com. Thank you.